Hello everyone. So let's continue with chapter number 6, that is menus, navigation and web page protection. So this is the last video of the chapter 6. Okay. So in this video we will study how to protect your web page, that is web page security, how to protect your code, and next topic is JavaScript frameworks. Okay. Last two topics. Okay. So now let's move on to the next slide. Okay, so the first topic is protecting your web page. So as you all know that you can weave your JavaScript if you have developed any website, anyone can weave your JavaScript code. Okay, so it is possible to weave your JavaScript code from the browser. How it is possible? You just have to just right click. You have to just click the right click button of your mouse and you have to choose view source code option. When you choose view source code option, all your HTML and JavaScript code is visible. Okay, so so it is possible that some new developers may copy your code or use your code, or they may weave your code and use your code for some other purposes. So how can you protect your web page and how can you hide this JavaScript code? So there are two ways you can protect your web page, or you can protect your code, okay, JavaScript code. So first you can do is you can disable your right mouse button so that if anyone right clicks on that button, nothing happens and a alert box will be displayed. Or you can store your JavaScript code on a web server. Okay, there are two ways. So here we are going to study how to disable your right mouse button so that no one can copy your JavaScript code. Okay, so there is a simple JavaScript code for disabling a right mouse button. We'll see how to disable it. Okay, let's see the code. Okay, so this is the code in order to disable your right click button, okay, of your mouse. Okay, so let's see the code. First is your doc type HTML tag, then is your HTML tag, then is your head tag, and then the title is given as locking the right mouse button. Okay, then is your script tag. Okay, so now the function is, what is the function? Right click disable function. Okay, so function name is right click disable, and inside that function we are displaying the alert as not allowed to right click. Okay, and then it will return a false. Okay, so in this function we are just displaying the alert not allowed to right click. Okay, next function is Internet Explorer browser. Next function is Internet Explorer browser function. So here we can disable your right click button. So if event.button is equal to 2, then call the function right click disable. Event.button. So here event.button is used. So button 1 is your left button and button 2 is your right button. So if event.button is equal to 2, that is if you are clicking your that is, if you are clicking your second button, that is your right button, then a right click disable function will be called and it will return false. And if you call the right click disable function, it will give an alert that not allowed to right click. Okay. So when you click your right mouse button, a alert message will be displayed not allowed to right click. Okay, and your so you cannot view your source code. Okay, close your if and then close your function. Okay, then write down document dot on context menu. Document dot on context menu is equal to new function right click disable, give a semicolon at, and it will return a false. Then close your script tab. Okay, then close your head tag, close the body, and then inside the body you are just displaying two text. This is a sample web page. Test disability of right click button by clicking the right button. Okay, close your body, close your HTML tag. Okay, so now if we right click, if you open your output and if you right click on your web page, it will display an alert that not allowed to right click. Okay, so I hope the code and output is clear to you all. Okay. Now the last topic is framework of JavaScript and its application. So basically, JavaScript framework is an application framework which is written in language JavaScript. Okay, it is totally different from JavaScript library. Library and framework is different. Basically, library function is called by a parent code, but in case of framework it is used to define the entire application design. Okay, so framework is basically used to define the entire application design. Okay, so here in case of framework, the developer does not call the framework. A developer does not call the framework. Instead, the framework will call and use the code in uh, of a developer in some particular way. Okay. So there are some example of JavaScript frameworks. Those are Angular.js, Amber.js, and Metrio.js. So these are some example of JavaScript framework. Okay. So I hope both the topics are clear to you all. Okay. So that's it. Thank you.